Soren of Fiona drinking the drops. You shouldn't be doing this. What I'm trying to put through those to you on the viewers of Let's Away Fiona is that there should be a sign on the vodkas or any of the alcohol boxes or glasses or anything with lit lights should say danger, drink and drive. I'm ready to go and drinking and drive those. I shouldn't, but I don't think Top Own Gear lots have never done anything like this where it's live. Fiona. Anyway, hello, yes, and we're going straight down here. Normally stops around there, and all crumbs as there's lots of cars coming around quite fast. Anyway, I was in the Monte Carlo Rally many moons ago and crashed on Frenchy Watts Roads in Chamroos, but it was one of those warm bang crashed right over into the mountains and help. Anyway, I'm going to go round here because it's a no lots entrance and I don't know where I am. Anyway, I don't want to get caught by anyone that is going to put me in jail tonight because this is yes, and I'm holding it. Anyway, the other problem about all drinking and driving and of course alcohol that goes down through the bottles into the brain and is that you have to stop and have to do one of those things. And I've got to do one of those now. I'm just going to stop for a second and then whilst I'm doing this, hope the car doesn't go backwards. Oh, I've got my fingers caught. You see what I've got? My hands are caught slots in the debris. Anyway, I'm doing a thing at the moment, and it just shows you what goes on when you're drinking and driving. Your bladder goes from your brain lots down into the body, goes and then comes out. But it's one of those things, Fiona, that this is one of those wolf-load lots of the vodka. I need the vodka now. That's all. Sorry about that. I haven't washed any of my hands at the moment. But need another drink, those lots before we go on. But that just shows you how poor it is when you're drinking and driving. I'm going to try and get moving now. And, I've gone the wrong way, as you can see. And we're just going on here.